So I'm gonna fix the cluster, the fuel don't work, and the temperature gauge don't work. So I'm gonna repair it. We'll be good to go. Stay tuned, y'all. We working. So this is a 2005 Chevy Impala. Cluster is fixed. The temperature gauge wasn't working, or the fuel gauge. Check it out now. Everything working, champ. Good afternoon, good afternoon. Got 2005 Chevy Impala. Clean, man. Super clean. No issues. 227,000 miles. No check engine lights. No issues, man. It's running right now. It's quiet. This thing's super clean, man. Ready to go. No issues, man. AC work, heat work, CD player, radio. Stay clean, man. It's running right now. Fresh oil change. Fresh detail done to it. Stay super clean, man. No issues. They're ready to go. Coming to a customer near you. Super clean. No issues, man.